mail. So if you try the shopping cart trick and you get something like this, understand this. When it comes down to the shopping cart trick, you're not really supposed to get a hard inquiry, but if for some reason you got a hard inquiry, I'm sorry. But if I were you, I would try to dispute that hard inquiry. So try to dispute the hard inquiry and try to get it removed from your credit reports. But when you get that hard inquiry, I remember a client, one of the clients I got approved for a Visa credit card, they said that they got a hard inquiry when I did the shopping cart trick for them too. So just understand that sometimes when you do the shopping cart trick, although, most likely you're not going to get not most likely. Well, I guess you could say most likely. A lot of people, they don't get hard inquiries. You may be a person that get a hard inquiry, but all you have to do is just dispute it. And sometimes you do just wait the 7 to 10 business days. And a lot of people, they just give up. Don't give up, because they may say wait 7 to 10 business days because they want to send you something to verify your identity. That's probably why they pulled your credit, because they don't have enough information on you.